Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you dry beans crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So friends, let's start today's video. These crafts are easy, creative and perfect for both kids and adults. Let's get started. First, make a beans mosaic picture drafts. Simple flower, butterfly, tea, birds or hearts. Thin paper, add glue to one small area at a time and place the beans carefully. Use different color and size to create a beautiful design. When the glue dries, your artwork is ready to display. And friends, my next area is people's photo frame. Friends, another lovely idea is to decorate photo frame. Take a plain wooden or cardboard frame, glue different beans around the edge in colorful patterns. You can paint the frame before adding the beans or leave its natural rustic look. This make a wonderful handmade gifts. And friends, my next idea is reverse beans flour. Friends, arrange beans into flower pattern and use round beans or butter for the center. Trim paint beans or paper leaves to complete the design. Frame your artwork or use it as a greeting card decoration. Viewers and viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So now we see you in the next idea, viewers. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers. See you in the next video.